Alright, so I know I've been on vacation for a few months, but, Sarah, I left you and Adam in charge, right? Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So question, because I don't see him, where is my damn first man? He's dead. Excuse me, Loot? Dead? 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 How? How? How is the first man I created damn dead? We went to hell. In what? Uh, Extermination Day. uh, uh, I'm sorry. Extermination Day. You mean the one day out of the year that God, give you angels and exorcists one time out of the year on a specific day to go and damn do when I damn want you to do it. And you did it 6 months in advance? I was under the impression Adam would have told you. I was on vacation. No, he didn't. Wonderful. This is a great start to a meet. Hello there, God, sir. Does anyone want to explain why there's a damn snake here in my meeting room? Oh, he's the first rehabilitated sinner. First what now? First rehabilitated sinner. Wow. About time something like that happened. Jesus. I'm sorry, my lord. You wanted there to be rehabilitated sinners? Yeah, Sarah, I may have casted Lucy out of here, but I mean, I told Adam to give him instruction to try and rehabilitate those like eons ago. Me damn it, I see where the problem went there. Well, at least it's starting to happen now. Hey, I gotta give him a call and congratulate him on doing a good job finally. And also explain he should have been doing that ages ago. We lost a lot of people for shit that was supposed to already have happened. What? Yeah, sounds and looks like you guys are all, every last one of you are fucked. And also, why are you here? I'm not. You didn't see me.